山行，远上寒山石径斜，白云深处有人家。停车坐爱枫林晚，霜叶红于二月花。
I go by slanting stony path to the cold hill, where rise white cloudy, there appear cottages and bowers. I stop my cab in maple woods to gaze my fill. Frost-bitten leaves look redder than early spring flowers.